Hi, if you don't know how to remove home screen icons on Samsung Galaxy S25, then watch this video. So actually, this is really simple. You just need to press and hold an icon, basically an app you want to remove from your home screen. For example, let's remove Bixby. I don't like where it's placed. And just press and hold it. And then it would be shaking like that, and you'll see some options. From this list, you need to simply choose this middle icon, remove, tap it, and it would be gone from your home screen. But don't worry, the app is not deleted. It will stay in your app drawer, just right here. Let's try this out again. I'm gonna remove this gaming hub from my home screen. I'm gonna tap the button, and now let's find it in app drawer. I'm just gonna enter gaming, and as you can see, the app is still available. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.